Well, Charles & Moore Insurance has had a relationship with our school district for many years. In the past 5 years, I've had the opportunity to work hand in hand with them as the superintendent of the school district. Charles & Moore has been great about working with us on how to improve our safety for our employees and our students.
The support that they provide our district has been is just tremendous as far as helping us implement more safety programs for our district. It's a proactive strategy to try to make sure that our district's buildings, grounds, vehicles are as safe as they possibly can be.
About 3 years ago, maybe 4, we'd had a couple of accidents and our mod had jumped up to 1.08. And with the help of Jordan and Tammy and our staff at Allen County Schools, we've been able to reduce that now to a 0.72. Over the last 7 years, that relationship has grown. When we first started, one of the first things they implemented was a workers' comp process to help us reduce our experience mod. We formed a committee made up of several different people across the district, and of course Tammy and Jordan are on that committee.
We started working with Charles & Moore Insurance in 2012.
We've been very fortunate to have a long-standing partnership with Charles & Moore Insurance, and more specifically Charles Adams. He's always just a phone call away. He has always been very receptive in helping us identify areas for improvement. Being the second lowest per pupil funded school district across the Commonwealth, it's imperative that we're efficient and we look at where we're expending our resources. And this partnership certainly has helped us. Actually, it's cut our premium in half.
Unlike most insurance carriers, Charles & Moore works on a fee basis. It's a flat fee that we pay each year. There's no commission. They have the utmost incentive to decrease our claims and to help us help our employees not get injured.
Charles & Moore has come in to our schools and they've done safety trainings.
A lot of times in schools you can get into a general training. These are specific. We'll have trainings for our transportation, our cafeteria workers, trainings that really hit home to the area of job that they're working with.
We've now implemented a process to educate our employees through Charles & Moore Insurance, and that partnership between the folks on my staff and Tammy at Charles & Moore is spectacular.
Tammy Adams, she's a lifesaver. She helps me with everything work comp related.
They work with the doctors, the adjusters, the insurance company.
One of the big parts of my job is working directly with the employers and going on site. We have several groups that have safety committees, which I meet with them on a quarterly basis. We like to look at the injuries that have occurred and see if there's things that could have been done to prevent that injury. We also look at policies and procedures that are in place to see should there be things changed to prevent that injury from occurring in the future.
Over the course of the last 4 years specifically, we've reduced our mod from 1.02 to 0.60, which is really unheard of to move so quickly. And in real dollars for our school district, that means taking a premium from $187,000 down to $90,000. So for a superintendent in our school district, that's 2 teachers that are in our building because we've reduced our mod so significantly.
Our safety mod has now gone down to 0.68 due to their efforts. That means instead of paying $750,000 for our workman's comp insurance, we're paying about $370,000.
We've seen that mod rate lower each and every year, and so we're saving several $100,000 a year of reoccurring savings due to our efforts in combination with the efforts from Charles & Moore Insurance in monitoring the workman's comp and again, getting our employees back to work.
Part of the thing that's built a strong relationship between Allen County Schools and Charles & Moore Insurance is their accessibility. You know, if we have somebody get hurt at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, all we have to do is call Tammy or Jordan, let them know, they direct us through what we need to do, make sure we get the process started, take care of the employee.
When we have an insurance claim, we have an accident on the job site, I send a text or a phone call, an email, and immediately a member of their team is back in contact with me to find out what the situation is, how can they best support us.
It's about the service. It's about every year wanting to come back to us in a meeting and say, your premium for workers' comp is going down. I don't know if that's always the case. They're, I think, high-fiving each other as much as we are when our premium goes down. And so we're lucky to have a partner that is helping us achieve our goals in our school district. And I think anytime you have a business partner that does that, that's a win.